The Gail Borden Public Library has a couple of celebrations in mind for you. One at the West Side branch involving the number 5, and here at the main branch, a celebration involving the number 50. Let's check in at the library.
Kate Burlett, Director of Visual Arts and Exhibits. Where the wild things are. They're going to be here at the library. We have a special traveling exhibit coming to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the publication of the book, Where the Wild Things Are by Maurice Sendak. It will be on our second floor this summer, July 19th through September 19th. The exhibit will celebrate Sendak's artwork throughout his entire career, and it will also be presented by quotes from educators, presidents, illustrators, and celebrities from around the world talking about Maurice Sendak's artwork and how it affected them through inspiration, influencing their careers, and touching their lives. I'd like to read a quote from the exhibit. Once a little boy sent me a charming card with a drawing on it. I loved it. I answer all my children's letters, sometimes very hastily, but this one lingered over. I sent him a card and drew him a picture of a wild thing. I wrote, "Dear Jim, I love your card." Then I got a letter back from his mother, and she said, "Jim loved your card so much he ate it." That to me was one of the highest compliments I've ever received. He didn't care that it was an original Maurice Sendak drawing or anything. He saw it, he loved it, he ate it. Maurice Sendak. I'm sure you're going to love this exhibit, and as Max, the king of the wild things, would say, let the wild rumpus start. We are also going to be having a wild rumpus party on July 26th, and that will be from 10 to 11 a.m. for preschool to second grade. You'll have games, crafts, and of course, wild rumpus fun. So join us for the exhibit on Sendak.
Let's turn the clock back library-wise to Saturday, August 15th, 2009. It was the official opening ceremony for the West Side Rakow branch. Were you there? Executive Director Carol Middle and other dignitaries addressed the crowd on that day. Now we move to the present, Saturday, August 2 from 1 to 3. It will be the Rakow branch 5-year celebration. Now, if you're part of the first generation of Rakow readers born in 2009, when they opened up and getting ready to go to kindergarten, please bring a picture of yourself to add to the story wall. Again, the 5-year celebration for the West Side branch, Rakow branch, will come your way Saturday, August 2nd from 1 to 3 on Elgin's West Side.